In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Xero Central and earn your Xero certification. If you want to enhance your accounting skills and gain some credentials, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. To begin your journey toward Xero certification, you first need to access your account through Xero Central. This is where you'll find all the resources you need. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the Certification Hub. On your dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Learning. When you click on this tab, you'll see an option for Xero certifications. This is your gateway to the various paths you can take to get certified. Now, it's time to choose the learning path that best suits your needs and schedule. If you prefer to learn at your own pace, there's a self-paced online course option. This allows you to work through the online modules whenever you have time, building your knowledge from the ground up. It's perfect for those who like to digest information and practice at their own pace. Alternatively, if you enjoy a more interactive experience, you can attend a live webinar. This is a real-time, guided session where you can learn directly from Xero experts. It's a great way to ask questions and engage with the material in a lively setting. And for those who are already familiar with Xero and feel confident in their knowledge, there's an assessment-only option. This allows experienced users to skip straight to the assessment and demonstrate their proficiency without going through the full training again. As you progress through the selected modules, keep in mind that it's important to complete all the required lessons and quizzes. The system is designed to save your progress, allowing you to pick up right where you left off whenever you're ready to resume. It's also worth noting that the certification is structured in levels. You must complete them in order, so you'll start with level 1 before moving on to level 2, ensuring a comprehensive understanding. Once you've worked your way through the training, you're ready for the final and perhaps most crucial step, passing the assessment. This final assessment is your opportunity to showcase everything you've learned during the course and demonstrate your mastery of Xero. After successfully passing the assessment, you will be awarded a Xero digital badge and a downloadable certificate. This is a significant accomplishment and can be a great addition to your marketing materials, helping you stand out in your professional endeavors. There you have it, a complete guide to navigating Xero Central and achieving your certification. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Good luck with your certification and happy learning.